young lady in the crowd who came up and said, "Really? I was thinking about giving my car to charity anyway, because I'm sick of it and I don't need it anymore." We can only do one, but there are at least 10, 12 people here today that were thinking that this isn't just some crazy stunt. They really think they can make this change. We encourage you to watch and learn.
What did you just do?
I just gave my Saab away for a bike. I live in town and I work in town, and my grocery store and my laundromat, and everything I need is well within my own means of transportation without a car. So I've grown to love my bike so much more than my car that at this point, you know, you talked to me 2 years ago, I would have, you know, really missed my car, but now that I love my bike so much, I don't. So.
Good for you.